now we're going to round to the nearest thousand. So the number is 3,415. So let's look. These are the units, these are the tens, these are the hundreds, and these are the thousands. So when we're rounding to the nearest thousand, let's remember to put a dot above the thousands, and then it's our hundreds that help us decide. We just have to remember how to count by thousands. So it's going to be 3,000 or 4,000. Our neighbors help us decide, and remember the rule. 5 or bigger than 5, you round up. Less than 5, you round down. So 4 is less than 5. So 3,415 rounded to the nearest thousand will be 3,000. Okay, now let's look at 2,864. Let's put the dot above the thousands. It's our hundreds that help us decide. Our two choices will be 2,000 or 3,000. Remember the rule, 5 or bigger than 5, you round up. Less than 5, you round down. So 2,864 is definitely closer to 3,000. There you go. 7,169. Put the dot above the thousands. It's the hundreds that help us decide. Our two choices will be 7,000 or 8,000. Well, 1 is certainly less than 5. So 7,169, much closer to 7,000 than it is 8,000. There you go. 3,894. Let's put the dot above the thousands. Our hundreds help us decide. We'll have two choices. It's either going to be 3,000 or 4,000. Let's look at the hundreds. 5 or bigger than 5, you go up. Less than 5, you go down. Well, 8 is certainly bigger than 5. So 3,894 is rounded to 4,000. Okay, one last example. 9,231. Let's put the dot above the thousands. Our hundreds help us decide. Our two choices will be 9,000 or we go right up to 10,000. Well, remember the rule. 5 or bigger than 5, you go to the bigger number. Less than 5, you go to the smaller number. Well, 9,231 is certainly closer to 9,000 than it is to 10,000. There you go.